Hi friends, I'm very excited today to show you house of Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni located at Kandivali near Western Express Highway at Kanakya Space, Samarpan. The couple is with their mother and two teenage kids, one girl Pooja and they have a boy called Rohan. This couple gave us a very but crisp brief, that is they wanted the entire house to be 100% Vastu compliant, mind you 100%, and they wanted it in flat 75 days. Hi, I'm Rajesh Bhosle, architect, entrepreneur and founder of Interior. How we went about the design, I'll explain you that. We have our in-house Vastu consultant come designer Mr. Praveen Gaswa. Being a designer himself, he could understand the pain of designers, and being a Vastu consultant, we could implement the Vastu and we could make the house 100% Vastu compliant. According to Mr. Praveen, our entire earth or our planet is made up of 5 tattvas, that is first namely water, air, fire, earth and sky, and all these 5 tattvas should come inside house as well, so that gives an positivity for entire family and life. That tattvas could be reflected in form of color, shapes, floors and other things which he gave guidelines, as I will explain when we enter the house. So let us see the safety door of Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni. We gave and place for their Kalash and ideal above safety door. We paneled the entire safety door in wooden teakwood panels, as that was a very required brief from our own Vastu consultant Mr. Praveen Gaswa. Entering in living room, the brief got from Mr. Praveen Gaswa was it has to be profusely yellow. Center stan was the place was Brahmastan, so he required something of squarey or rectangular shape at exact center of the living room. Our ceiling is also rectangular, and exact position he told me from where the Dakshin starts of the flat. So that cut line we have made with an wavy pattern of CNC cutting in the false ceiling, and that light goes through entire flat till the children's bedroom as well. So we have divided exactly that Dakshin stands different and north area different. And in Dakshin he required an red color kind of prominent thing, and in north Vastu demanded yellow color. So you will find our yellow color beam which we ran long rafter all along the house. We ran that yellow color rafter which is very vibrant and very good, which has come up very nice. And after that cut line we have taken a red color rafter which you can see here. Now coming to ceiling, what we did is we placed square kind of house, and we gave PVC ceiling with wooden textures. We gave entire TV unit paneling in again cork sheet which is yellow prominently, say pale yellow, and wooden textured true wooden cork sheet, that was with few charcoal inlays of leaf. Vastu Shastra demanded that the owner should face north while sitting maximum time in the room. So what we did is we placed TV such a way that his face is towards north, and some towards southern wall they wanted an mountain kind of or a very stable structure and blessing of God. So what we did is we made an wallpaper, customized sticker wallpaper of mountains with Buddha giving blessings to the owners. And to make more beautiful, what we did is made an Winchester kind of sofa which gave them a king-like feeling while seeing TV. We had extended the balcony area and we had only kept the flower bed area. So taking that balcony area in, they had got an extra 1.2 meters kind of area inside living. They required their brother's photo and a bit of storage towards the southern wall, so we placed that with bit of ledge kind of storage, and we gave an ledge, extended ledge of TV unit, and below that we placed center table which could be then removed and kept in center when they required as per their requirement. Coming to dining area was actually towards the eastern side, northern eastern side, but the wall, blank wall in front of dining area actually reflected, was opposite the south area. So that wall was necessarily demanded as reflective wall according to Vastu. So what we intelligently did is we placed an reflective mirror on that wall, which gave the space, which opened up the space as well, which gave a good aesthetic vibe, and that reflected the negative energy from the south. And then there was a position for temple at corner, so we gave that temple there, and besides that temple we gave an crockery unit. Over that crockery unit, to match this reflective wall, we gave mirrors, because that could gel with the entire thing, and that area was demanded according to Vastu to be shiny. Now we placed true wooden teak wood dining table made in our factory, because entire living was to be wooden according to the Vastu Shastra as it was towards the north. From living we go to kitchen area. Kitchen area is just as you enter in towards your right hand side, and that is towards northeast of the entire flat. That is the best position for kitchen. The colors governed by kitchen was water. So water is blue in color, it could be white in color, and it should be flowing. So brief from Vastu was blue, white and flowing thing. We intelligently used blue color acrylic below kitchen counter. We used white G5 top on entire kitchen area everywhere, and there was a white color acrylic on overhead unit with chrome finish, that is the colors given by them, that is silver, transparent and blue. We stuck back printed glass with flowing water image, which added the aesthetic value as well as Vastu value in entire kitchen. The second brief what we got from Mr. Vastu Shastrajna, our Praveen Gaswa, was the cooktop should be on dark green stone. We had to place an green marble over G5 on only cooktop side. Then we have given a tall unit besides that. In the tall unit we have given a rolling shutter, which is also of off-white color. Rolling shutter, the advantage is you can open it at any height and you can operate it according to your convenience. Their microwave is in that rolling shutter cabinet. Now we have extended the kitchen balcony and we have taken that inside kitchen. You will find the kitchen false ceiling and lighting, everything white and blue. From kitchen towards the entrance wall, which was towards the east side, the Vastu Shastra had demanded an path and greenery and sunlight. So again our own designer Mr. Praveen suggested to keep an sticker there. So we found a sticker from internet of a path with sun rays, which is very beautiful from the kitchen and which adds the Vastu vibes as well. When you enter in towards your entrance passage, towards your left, you find this beautiful wallpaper which was required according to Vastu. Before going to children's bedroom, you will find that all the doors facing the living, what we did is we made it in palish yellow but wooden textured laminate, and we gave very beautifully designed charcoal inlay inside all the doors, which gave it a rich vibe. And towards the living, all the doors had same texture, right from main door to all the bedroom doors. Now we enter the children's bedroom. The children's bedroom was placed towards the northwest side, and west is profusely governed with the element called wind. Wind element with woods, kind of jungle kind of wood element. So we got brief of color is green, parrot green, dark green, and bit of wooden colors. That is all. Green was very important because according to Praveen, that helped kids to concentrate on studies, that helped kids to focus. So he insisted that study table should be of parrot green with leafy kind of structure over it. He insisted that when they study they should face north. So we have intelligently made a sliding kind of bed where when opened you sit on opposite side and face towards north, and which has parrot green kind of leafy laminate. They required in brief more area to play indoor games, so we made an Murphy bed, that is wall mounted bed. When the bed closes, we placed a very beautiful digital wallpaper with leaves flying, birds chirping, deer running, and kind of positive and happy atmosphere, wind flowing kind of depiction. And we placed two wardrobes for them, that is two-door sliding wardrobe for both of them. Again we placed wooden laminate in that to give a very abstract leaf kind of green pattern. We inlaid glass back, printed glass in that wardrobe. You can see the structure inside the wardrobe. We placed drawers, their storage. The girl Pooja required a dressing table, and according to Vastu, dressing table could not face the bed. So we had a small 15 inches place besides window. We gave a standing dressing table. The mirror was facing wardrobe, that was not facing bed, and we gave storage inside. Now let us enter the parents' room. The parents' room was placed towards the south. So the profuse color was red and dark wooden color. So what we used is dark wooden veneer and a small bit of blood red laminate. Very intelligently we placed rafter of blood red laminate and inlay, very small inlay of blood red laminate. Their mother lived there. We gave a sofa cum bed with a bit storage inside. Sofa cum bed could be extended when they got guest in, and we placed a TV unit for their mother, separate TV for their mother. She had an individual dresser which did not give a reflection towards bed, which reflected the balcony area. As I earlier told you that we had done the civil work as well, so we again extended that room, taking the balcony in. We shifted window towards in front approximately 0.9 meters, and we placed a tall storage unit for their mother so that she could keep her dresses. Now we come to the master bedroom of Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni. The brief from Mr. Praveen was, it has to be white, shades of grey, and a bit of silver or copper element in wavy form or running patterns. We did is we made entire master bedroom in 1 mm acrylic of white and grey. Let us see the wardrobe. In wardrobe, what we did is we made it of white acrylic, and we placed an back printed glass with copperish pattern, abstract pattern in wavy form, which also made it 100% Vastu compliant and added the positive vibe as well as aesthetic sense to the wardrobe. Very smoothly operated wardrobe with the sections inside the wardrobe according to the client's brief. Above this wardrobe, there are hydraulic loft shutters. Now we come to the bed. The bed is also an hydraulic uplifting bed. Below you get ample storage. Bed entirely is made up of acrylic. Headboard of grey colors which matched. They required a reading light above the headboard which we have placed. According to Vastu, the corner that was the rightmost corner of the bed was the Kuber Sthan. So they required to keep their official documents, property papers, their jewelry with different lockers and different positions in different heights. We paneled the entire corner. We gave hidden lockers and wardrobes with keys with unseen keyholes in entire that paneling, and the entire area was made as Kuber Sthan. But with this we faced a bigger problem that we could not place dressing unit, because dressing unit could not be in front of the bed as you cannot get mirror reflection of bed in dressing table. So what we did is we made an abstract kind of column feature, and when you open it, the shutters on this shutter we gave ledges to store other beauty things, and mirror was towards the back. We placed a light above this mirror which when closed gave an abstract look of TV unit ledge. Extended, placed an TV there. Entire house was made in grey and light grey pattern. Now we gave an geometrical greyish squarish pattern on ceiling, because that was insisted by Vastu that you should have a very few patterns in that room. And we also gave a gradient wavy pattern on all the window blinds. Whichever color was dominant in that room, particular room, we gave shades of that on blinds, and the roller blind is new in thing which makes the entire house contemporary. In entire house we used only roller blinds in all the windows. That is easy to operate. You can open it at any level, you can close it. It gives a netty effect, diffuse light effect. And we only used curtains in living because they were required according to the yellow pattern, and that went with the aesthetics. Now we come to the master toilet. Master toilet had same colors, that is greys, dark greys, shades of grey and silver. We used these three very beautifully. We gave silver running lines all through the wet area kind of thing, and we made a niche, placed a niche at dry area to keep the toiletries there, or they could keep some decorative things. We placed a light above that niche. The entire toilet was in single tile, that is Satvario marble, Italian marble finish tile. We placed matte dark grey floor, and we gave Satvario single tiled elegant toilet to them. They were very happy with that. They required something different in their toilet, so we made a shower panel, which is rain shower panel on top, and we concealed the entire ceiling with PVC of white and silver pattern. Now coming to the common toilet. Brief from Vastu was moss green color, very light shade tiles. We found that tiles. Even the brief was it could have patterns of floral patterns or petals or leaves. So we gave an Rajasthani Indian kind of geometrical abstract greenish color floral pattern, tiles as highlighter, between the shower area. We used that on blank wall and gave a niche between with light for toiletries. The entire bathroom was with moss green and this floral pattern. That completed the common toilet. This is how we made Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni's house 100% compliant in Vastu and gave it in flat 75 days. We very creatively used the back printed glass, digitized, customized wallpaper, core sheet, your actual charcoal sheets. We also used the caulk sheets and different kind of laminates, back painted acrylics, other elements, silver elements, chrome elements to make the house contemporary but yet very much Vastu relevant. Thank you. For such more videos, kindly subscribe our channel.